Have you ever wondered who's behind the scenes at Paysafe, the global payments giant? It's a question that many people ask, and in this video, we're going to dive deep into the company's leadership and structure. Paysafe is a multinational company that offers a wide range of payment solutions, including e-wallets, online casino payments, and card processing. But who are the people calling the shots? Who's driving this global financial powerhouse? The early days. Let's start by going back in time. Paysafe was formed in 2000 through the merger of two companies, Paysafe and Optimal Payment Solutions. These companies were founded and led by a group of industry veterans who had a vision to create a leading payments company. Key figures. One of the key figures in Paysafe's early days was name of early key figure. He or she played a crucial role in driving the merger and setting the company on its path to success. The current leadership. Today, Paysafe is led by name of current CEO, who took over the reins in year. Under his or her leadership, the company has continued to grow and expand its operations. Board of Directors. The CEO is supported by a strong board of directors, which includes a mix of experienced industry professionals and independent directors. The board plays a vital role in providing strategic guidance and oversight. Organizational structure. Paysafe's organizational structure is designed to support its global operations. The company is divided into several business units, each with its own management team. This structure allows Paysafe to respond quickly to changing market conditions and customer needs. Acquisition strategy. One of the key factors in Paysafe's growth has been its acquisition strategy. Over the years, the company has acquired a number of smaller payments companies, which has allowed it to expand its product offerings and geographic reach. Challenges and opportunities. Like any large corporation, Paysafe faces challenges and opportunities. Some of the key challenges the company faces include regulatory changes, competition from new entrants, and the increasing threat of cybercrime. However, Paysafe also has significant opportunities to grow, particularly in emerging markets. Corporate culture. Paysafe's corporate culture is characterized by innovation, collaboration, and a strong focus on customer satisfaction. The company is committed to creating a positive and inclusive workplace for its employees. Conclusion. So, who runs Paysafe? The answer is a team of talented and dedicated professionals who are committed to driving the company's success. From the early days to the present, Paysafe has been led by a group of visionary leaders who have helped the company become a global payments powerhouse. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.